So hi guys, good afternoon. It's 5:20 PM and ayun, magsi 6 PM na. Pero ayan, naka-outfit ako ngayon kasi nagyayabigla si mama na kumain kami sa labas. So why not, diba, i-date ko si mama today. Pero this is what I'm wearing. This is from Shein. Itong set na to. Sobrang cute niya. And then pinair ko lang siya with my white tube. And then slippers lang ako kasi malapit lang naman yung pupuntahan namin. As in, katapat lang namin. And guys, I'm gonna bring you along with me. And ayun, wala. Nagutom na ako guys. So tara na. Let's go.
I thought about you today, and I don't know if I'm okay. I know that something ain't right. These thoughts are just in my mind.
So, good morning guys. It's 10:24 AM, Saturday, May 21. And feel ko, alam nyo na, kung kapag nandito ako sa walk-in ko, tapos ganito yung setup ko, alam nyo na naaalis ako. For the past few weeks, sobrang na-burn out ako and na-drain ako from school, YouTube, everything. And ayun, ngayon SM North kami ni JP, so wala, magagala lang kami. Ewan ko kung ano pa yung mga ganap namin. Pero we have a lot of plans na, pero ayun, and pakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ko. Pero simple lang naman siya, pero pakita ko na rin. I'm just wearing this pants from H&M. This top is from SHOPEE, pero parang Zara overrun siya. And then, I'm just wearing my dunks. And by the way, guys, a lot of you are asking kung saan ako nagpapa-lash extension. So, I'm gonna put their username here. And I swear, I super recommend their lashes kasi hindi siya mabigat and sobrang nakaka-fresh ang lashes, guys. Try nyo, promise. Sobrang mag-iiba ang life nyo. Wow, mag-iiba life. Pero, yan, nalagay ko yung username nila dito if ever gusto nyo magpa-lash extensions or gusto nyo i-try. Pero, ayan, I'm gonna go na and I'll see you guys later kapag nasa SM North na kami. So, bye-bye! Magpa-practice namin yung handshake namin. Ngayon niya palang tinuro sa akin. So, kapag nagkamali ako, intindihin niyo naman ako, okay?
Times 2 naman.
Let's have a lesson.
Kaya na.
Diba? Dapat yung ano na. Yung alam ko na talaga siya.
Sorry. Sorry, I was born this way.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out? Ooh, dry your eyes.
We're just friends, what are you saying?
Vietnam. Wrong. 152 pounds. Mate.
Calling all passengers of flight 123. Calling all passengers. Guys, I opened some of my Shopee packages na dumating kahapon since wala nga ako kahapon, so hindi ko sila na-open. Ngayon ko pa lang sila na-unbox lahat. Dito na yung mga binili kong heels. And ito yung binili kong pair, this one. And this reminds me of Aminas. Tama ba? Yeah. And I also have this one. Ito yung isang pair. This is like a hot pink na ano bang tawag ito? Kitten heels. Ayan, I'm so happy with my pairs. I got some clothes from Shopee pala. I only got 2. I got this shirt. Ewan ko, nagandahan lang ako. May nakalagay lang dyan na Milano and it's just a baby tee. Ewan ko, feel ko maganda siya with jeans and ingay ng mga aso namin. I got this dress na backless lang yung likod niya and it's a silk dress. I got this top from Shopee. I'll just link everything down below kasi medyo nagmamadali na ako ngayon, guys. Pero, ayun, pupunta kami nila mama sa Pasig kasi I have to meet someone or basta may kailangan akong puntahang importante. And, ayun, I'll take you guys along with me. And, ayun, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung agenda for today. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga ganap later. Pero, I'll bring you guys naman. So, ayun. Ayan. Let's go, guys. Kasi malilate na naman ako. And feel ko lagi sa vlogs ko, nalilate ako sa mga pinupuntahan ko. Pero, ayun. Tara na. Let's go. Hi guys, good afternoon. Ang pangit ng lighting, sorry, kasi sobrang maulan na these days. Ewan ko kung sa inyo rin, pero dito sa Bulacan, sobrang maulan na siya. Like, aaraw, uulan, hindi ko alam kung ano talaga. I have a package! May dumating akong package today. And this one is food package siya. And alam niyo guys, pinaka-favorite ko talaga kapag may nagpapadala sa akin ng pagkain. Kasi ewan ko, matakaw ako, mahilig ako kumain, and ayun. Pero ayun guys, unbox ko na siya kasi gutom na ako, and hopefully hindi umulan para hindi pangit yung lighting natin. Pero ayun. Dami nilang pinadala. So, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na goji boxes. And thank you so much po. I'm sure hindi ko ito maubos lahat. So, bibigyan ko sila mama, si lolo. And, ayun. So, meron silang binigay na beef, may chicken, and may pork. So, guys, kakain na ako. Hindi ko na kaya. Nagugutom na talaga ako. Natatakam na ako. So, I'm gonna eat na. And
You eat all that fruit, all that old small fruit. Oh, it's so loud with me. You'll always be my ear. Oh, you'll know the smart girls, but always have it. Whatever you fancy. It's so
Hi guys, good morning. It's around 10 a.m. And do you guys remember this table? Ito yung table ko dati sa kabila kong kwarto. And dapat kasi, bibili ako ng bagong table for this walk-in. Kaso naalala ko na meron pala akong ganito. And feel ko sakto lang siya dito sa corner na to. Kasi wala, kailangan ko lang ng space or ng table for getting ready, ganyan. So, sabi ko, perfect to. Pero, ayun, I'm gonna transfer yung mga products na lagi kong ginagamit sa mga drawers para wala nang nakakalat dito sa floor. Kasi naiirita ako, guys. Kasi kapag nag-aayos ako, wala na akong time para ayusin sila pabalik pagkatapos kong mag-makeup, ganun. So, maganda talaga na may drawer and may table na ako para mas clean and organized. So, ayun, yun yung gagawin ko for today. Good morning. It's 11:41 a.m. and feel ko sobrang tagal na nung last clips, guys. I know, parang sobrang tagal na mga gaps nitong vlog ko kasi I've been so busy with school. Pero I'm finally finished with grade 11, guys. I'm done. Pero mayroon pa kaming parang recognition. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung anong date. Pero kakaligo ko lang actually and nag-straighten lang ako ng hair ko. And now I'm gonna do like a short skincare routine lang. And I don't know if you guys remember, pero ito yung mga products na ginagamit ko noon. Kasi nakita ko sila sa drawer ko and sabi ko, why not? I use them again kasi nagustuhan ko sila noon. And these are from Pink by Pure Beauty by Watsons. And this is a K-beauty brand, pero it's from Watsons siya. So it's affordable, it's accessible to all of you. And I'm gonna firstly use this Pink by Pure Beauty So Glow Essence. And I usually do like 2 drops of this kasi very watery siya. So talagang carry siya sa buong face mo na agad. If you don't know, Essence is like a serum and a toner combined. So parang you can skip the serum, you can skip the toner kasi with this one, parang 2-in-1 na siya. And it gives a really glowy effect on my skin. That's why I like using this before makeup kasi manipis lang siya and hindi siya mabigat on the skin. And it smells good actually. It smells really, really good. Pero hindi siya yung amoy chemicals or something. And I like putting it on my neck as well. And as you can see, ayan may glow na agad siya nabibigay. And you can add a few more drops kung merong dryness ka dito or like there are areas on your face that needs more attention, ganyan. So, ayun. And mabilis lang din siya mag-set, guys. Hindi siya ganun ka-sticky. And as you all know, I don't like anything sticky na skincare. So, very, very plus yun para sa akin. What this one naman, this is the So Smooth Pudding Cream. And super cute nga ng name nito kasi pudding cream, you know, parang pagkain. Parang ang sarap niyang kainin. And it looks really good. Tingnan nyo, parang siyang yogurt. So, ayan, I just put this on my face. And, ayan, lalagay ko lang siya after the essence. So, yun yung skincare ko usually with the Pink by Pure Beauty products. I usually go for the essence first and then this pudding cream. And with this pudding cream, guys, you only need like 2 dots, 1 dot. Kasi very, parang spread agad yung product. So, sobrang tipid nyo with this one. And, ayun, I like to use it like as a primer because it blurs out my pores na rin. And it's good under makeup. That's why I use it. Yun yung mga daytime products ko. And usually at night, yun din naman yung ginagamit ko. Pero I put this extra step. And this one is the Pink by Pure Beauty Drying Lotion. And this is from their Bye Bye Pores range. And guys, ito talaga, pang second bottle ko na to ng drying lotion. Kasi it really works on my pimples. Ganyan, lalo na kapag yung pimples ko, yung sobrang, yung malalaking pimples na may laman sa loob. Like, lalagay ko lang to. And then the next day, magsasubside na siya. Of course, not fully healed agad. Pero alam nyo yun, nakakatulong talaga siyang mag-heal or mag-subside yung swellness, yung redness ng pimple ko. That's why I super, super, super love this. And ayun, you can get these products from Watsons. I'm just gonna put their link down below. And I think you can also get this from Shopee, sa mga official Watsons stores, sa mga SM, ganyan. So, very, very accessible na K-beauty brand ang Pink by Pure Beauty. I hope you can check them out, guys, kasi their prices are not high at all. Sakto lang yung pricing ng skincare nila and swak na swak sa mga budget ng teenagers out there if you want to try a Korean skincare product. So, ayun, super, super love it. And now, I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick kasi, ayun nga, mag-work na me. I have to film an IG reel for Maybelline later. So, I'm just gonna get ready. And, ayun.
Taking a ride to Johnny Lake 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들